Hello, I'm Tasha Pettigrew, Human Resources Director for Garfield Heights City Schools. At Garfield Heights, our greatest strength has always been our people. Every day, talented educators and staff members choose to invest their gifts here, and in return, they find a community that recognizes their potential, supports their growth, and celebrates their success. Some of the people you're about to meet first walked these halls as students. Others began working here and discovered opportunities to stretch, lead, and make an even greater impact. Their paths are different, but their stories share something important. Garfield Heights is a place where people can belong, make a difference, and build a future. These are just a few of our Garfield Heights success stories.
Hello, Bulldogs. My journey with Garfield has been full of peaks and valleys. There were moments I wanted to give up, and there were moments that reminded me exactly why I started. Every setback taught me something, and every win gave me hope.
It was an entire community of teachers and staff wrapping their support around me as I grew from student to teacher to administrator and now director. This is who we are. Bulldogs support one another. We show up for one another, and we celebrate one another.
The values of learning here took me to college, and I also choose to come back because of others installed those values in me. And now I can install those values and pride in others.
When I told my building principal, Ms. Fremo, that I wanted to become an administrator, she encouraged me to step outside my comfort zone and take on new leadership responsibilities.
Now being able to teach in the same district and community where I grew up feels like an incredible full circle moment.
These stories reflect the kind of district we are continuing to build, one where people are supported, challenged, and given room to make a lasting difference. So this year, let's come together to make a difference. Let's build all of our futures, and let's grow together this year as we provide a high quality, comprehensive, and meaningful education for every student here in Garfield Heights. Let's grow with Garfield.
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 So come on now and make sure you grow with Garfield Heights too.